Good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, guys. Yo, today is naughty, y'all. Today is naughty. I just came in here to use the bathroom, but I've been here for 1 hour and 30 minutes without nothing that is dead. It's one thing to see orders popping up, like bad orders, but if you don't even see bad orders popping up, it'll be like, what's going on today? Yo, I haven't seen no order popping up in my phone, even bad orders. That's how dead it is today. Today is super dead, y'all. So let me head out and still wait. I'm not going home until I make at least 50. Yeah, we're gonna be in a parking lot. Today, we're going to be in a parking lot, y'all. So it's about to be 9:30. They're about to drop a curbside order. So I hope I'm gonna get an order. It's about to be 9:30. Yeah, it's crazy. Well, it's Spark. 24.5. Oh. Yo, I finally got an order. $19 for 5.6 miles and for 3 customer drop off. Let me open the trunk. It's 10 o'clock right now. So after 2 hours, I received an order. For 338. Okay, y'all, let's go drop this last order. It's only 4-minute drive for our last drop off. Let's get our last drop off. I received my second order. It's 11 right now, and it's a shopping order plus pharmacy. $14 for 3.4 miles. So, and I'm going to shop for 8 items. So first, let's go at pharmacy to pick it up, and we're going to shop later on. All right. $24.25 for Spark. For Spark. It's $4.25.
It's $4.25.
No, $24.25. So you guys, I received an order, $24 for 11 good mayos. I took this order because yo, it's slow out here, so not trying to be too picky. So he's done loading everything. It's 3 drop off, so let's go drop it off. Yo, I'm sitting here. I have declined over maybe 20 orders, 20 bad orders, you guys. It's that bad today, and I don't want to go home until it's time to go home. I'm gonna be here until it's time for me to go home. But it's super bad. Right now it's 2 p.m. y'all. 2 p.m. Yo, I am giving up, y'all. I am giving up. Today is my daughter's birthday, so it's 3 right now, y'all. It's 3 p.m. I'm like, you know what? Let me just go home. Let me just go home and celebrate my daughter's birthday. Hold on, they're calling me. Yeah, so I was saying, yo, it's so dead. So in 7 hours, yo, I work 7 hours. I have $58. $58. That's how much I made today. Oh my God. Anyway, tomorrow is another day. I'm thankful. And tomorrow is another day. So we're gonna come here tomorrow and try again. Why not? Alright, you guys, if you enjoy this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe, share, like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.